Now let's explore the add-ons and extra usage section designed to give you complete flexibility as your needs grow. With add-ons, you can easily scale your account by purchasing additional features anytime. Whether you need more content, more storage, or more team access, everything is just a click away. You can add an extra social account for just $13 per month, allowing you to manage more platforms seamlessly. If you're working with a team, you can include an additional team member for $10 per month to collaborate more efficiently. Need more ad-generated content? You can purchase additional AI captions at just 10 cents per caption, or generate more visuals with AI images for 50 cents per image. To stay ahead of your brand presence, you can enable brand monitoring and social listening for $39 per month, helping you track mentions, sentiment, and engagement across platforms. Running out of space? Simply upgrade with additional storage, starting at $5 per 10 gigabytes per month. And for video content, you have flexible options. Create standard videos at $9 per video, upgrade to professional videos with enhanced transitions for $15, or go premium with cinematic quality videos at $29 per video.